where wildfire smoke is most concentrated. Smoke can irritate the eyes and respiratory system, as well as aggravate or exacerbate chronic heart and lung diseases. South Carolina DHEC recommends that individuals with respiratory health issues limit time spent outdoors to avoid the dust. Take measures to prevent dust and smoke from getting inside. Keep windows and doors closed. If operating an air conditioner central heating unit, keep a fresh air intake closed and the filter clean to prevent outdoor smoke from getting inside. This is the NOAA Radio All Hazards, KHC27 broadcasting from the SCE-TV tower near Rock Hill, South Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.425 MHz. This transmitter is serving Rock Hill and the Charlotte metropolitan area and the surrounding Piedmont of the Carolinas. The current time is 11:29 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. These are the 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations for the Carolinas on Wednesday, June 7th. This is the National Weather Service Office at Greenville, Iowa. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station KHC27 public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, special weather receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. Frequency of 162.425 MHz. The warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Lancaster, Union, and York. And in North Carolina: Cleveland, Mecklenburg, and Union. This concludes the NOAA Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. Cherokee and York. This concludes the NOAA Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. These are the 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations for the Carolinas on Wednesday, June 7th. At Rock Hill Airport, haze was reported. The temperature was 79 degrees, the dew point 56, and the relative humidity 45%. The wind was northwest at 7 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.79 inches and falling.
All of them activated finally for a weekly test. 70 radios. 2 stations.
The wind was
Oh my gosh.
an hour. The pressure was 29.79
What a
inches
test.
and falling. At Gastonia,
Zone guards activated for same.
the temperature was 76 degrees.
V1 and V2.
In Monroe, it was sunny. The temperature was
301.
81 degrees. Elsewhere in North
Version
Carolina,
1.
at Fayetteville, haze was reported with a temperature
All these
of 80
activated
degrees.
as well.
At Shelby,
Along with
it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 73.
my Oregon Scientific